The history of herbs. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bark of several tree species in the genus Cinnamomum. It was imported to Egypt as early as 2000 BC, and ancient Egyptians used cinnamon in their embalming process. Cinnamon was so highly prized among ancient nations that it was regarded as a gift fit for monarchs and even the gods. The first mention of this particular spice was in the Old Testament. Moses is commanded to use sweet cinnamon in holy anointing oils. In Proverbs, the lover's bed was perfumed with myrrh, aloe, and cinnamon. As a sign of remorse, the Roman Emperor Nero ordered an entire year's supply of cinnamon to be burnt as an offering after he murdered his wife in 65 AD. Cinnamomum vernum, which translates from Latin as true cinnamon, is native to India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Cinnamomum cassia is native to China. Related species, all harvested and sold in the modern era as cinnamon, are native to Vietnam, Indonesia, and other Southeast Asian countries with warm climates. Cinnamon is an evergreen tree characterized by oval-shaped leaves, thick bark, and berry fruit. When harvesting the spice, the bark and leaves are the primary parts of the plant used. Cinnamon is often utilized in savory dishes of chicken and lamb, and it is also used in Portuguese and Turkish cuisine for both sweet and savory dishes. Cinnamon powder has long been an important spice in enhancing the flavor in Persian cuisine and is used in a variety of thick soups, drinks, and sweets. Medieval physicians used cinnamon in medicines to treat coughing, hoarseness, and sore throats. The spice was also valued for its preservative qualities for meat due to the phenols, which inhibit the bacteria response for spoilage, with the added bonus of the strong cinnamon aroma masking the stench of aged meats. Several modern studies have linked cinnamon to better blood sugar levels. Studies show it may help curb blood sugar by lowering insulin resistance. In one study, volunteers ingested from 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon for 40 days. The researchers found out that cinnamon cut cholesterol by about 18% and blood sugar levels by 24%. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs. Brought to you by Dherbs.com.